possible. So directly I'll show you the implementation only. So y is equal to AC plus BC plus ABD. This is what the expression I have. So I need to implement this. So like this I cannot do because I need to have term into term into term whole bar form. Okay, so this form it is not there. I have dot in between. Okay, but again here I have plus. Okay, and I don't even have whole bar. Okay, so that is the reason what I'll do, I'll take double complement. I cannot take single complement because it will change the meaning. So for that reason what I'll do, I'll take double complement. So when you take the double complement using the second this complement, I'll expand it. Okay, so the upper complement I'll keep as it is, and here it is in the form of x plus y bar. X plus y bar is nothing but x bar into y bar. Okay, so AC I'll take as some x, BC as some y, and ABD as W. Okay, so it will be x plus y plus W form. So x bar dot W bar, y bar dot W bar. Okay, so I'll write in the same way. So x is nothing but AC bar. AC bar. I have plus in between. So dot BC. So y bar, BC bar dot ABD bar. So now again you check whether it is in the required form or not. See here, this one first you check this A dot C, and I have whole bar also. So this can be implemented using NAND. Again B dot C whole bar. So this also can be implemented using NAND. Again ABD bar. So this also can be implemented using NAND. Okay, now this is implemented, and this is implemented. So again this one into this one into this one whole bar I have. So even this complete thing I'll be able to implement using NAND gates. Okay, so let me draw the circuit. So A, B, C, D, I'll take 4 lines. A, B, C, D. See, I don't want a bar here. Okay, so that's the reason I'm not connecting it in this way. Okay, in this way. I don't want any a bar because I don't have any a bar here. So what I'll do, I'll just, this is what the equation I have. Okay, so I don't need a bar, so I'll not take any a bar here. Okay, directly AC complement. This is A, this is C, this is A, this is C. Give it to the NAND gate so that my output will be A dot C bar. Next BC whole bar, B, C whole bar. This is B, this is C. Give it to the NAND gate so that it will be BC whole bar. Next you need to get this one. So A, B, D. A, B, D. Give it to the NAND gate. Give it to the NAND gate so that I'll get A, B, D bar. Okay, now this one I've got, this one I've got, and this one also I've got. So now I need to have this dot this whole bar. So give it to the NAND gate. One more NAND gate. So that my output will be AC bar into BC bar into ABD bar. This is clear? BD bar whole bar. Okay, this into this whole bar. Related to this. Okay. So note down the question. Y is equal. Y is equal to simplify and implement A into, or not A, I'll take something else. Y is equal to x plus y into z bar plus y bar whole bar. You can implement this using NAND gates. All of you please try. Others please try. Have you people finished? Have you people finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you got
Yes,
similar way I have done it for you? I don't know how many people have noticed, but I've just done it for you. Okay, so y is equal to x plus y into z bar plus y bar whole bar. Okay, so here directly I can just expand. So it's in the form of this into this whole bar form. So that can be represented as this bar plus this bar. Okay, are you understanding why I have taken this complement and this complement and in between plus? Is this expansion clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now again you have x plus y whole bar. X plus y whole bar can be represented as x bar y bar plus z bar plus y bar whole bar. See, you have z bar plus y bar whole bar. Okay, so De Morgan's law, I have z bar, so I'll take as z. I have plus in between, so I'll take dot. I have y bar, so I'll take as y. Okay, so this is the expansion of this entire thing. Okay, so x zy. See, now if you observe, I've got y bar, x bar, y bar plus zy, but I don't have, see here I have plus. See, in the expression, you should not have any plus. You should only have dot. That is what the logic with NAND gates. Okay, you should not have any or operator. You should only have plus dot operator and operator. So here if you observe, you have or operator, so you need to eliminate it. The only way that I can eliminate this convert this or operation to and operation is I can take double complement. So I've taken double complement, and this second complement, using the second complement, I've expanded it. So x bar y bar whole bar dot x y whole bar. Okay, so I have got this much, so I can easily implement it, because I'll be able to implement x bar, I'll be able to implement y bar, I'll be able to implement x bar dot y bar whole bar and x z y whole bar also, this term into this term whole bar. Okay, we can do this way, right? Yes or no? Anybody has got doubts? Any? Second universal gate is NOR gate. So here I need to implement using NOR gates. Okay, so before going to the implementation, let us see how the NOR gate will be. You know that it is NOR is nothing but OR and a bubble, which is nothing but NOR. So A, B, if I have, here Y will be equal to A plus B complement. A plus B is the OR operation, and since you have a bubble, it is whole complement. Okay, now what I need to do, I need to implement, see again NOR gate is set to be the universal gate. Okay, the reason behind that is using NOR gate, you'll be able to implement any other function or any other gate. Okay, so that is the reason we'll call it as universal gate. So here, if you observe, when it comes to the NAND gate, the logic was you should have only the dot and whole bar should be there. Okay, that is what the logic with the NAND. Now if you observe NOR, for NOR gate, you should have only plus in the equation and whole bar. Okay, A plus B whole bar form. Okay, so term plus term, this indicates some term plus term whole bar form. It should be in this form. Only when you have term plus term whole bar form, you'll be able to implement it. Okay, so NOR gate, you need to just remember that you should have plus and complement. Okay, so that is what your NOR gate. So let us implement other gates using NOR gate. Okay. So what first gate, it is nothing but the NOT gate. First gate, NOT gate. Implement NOT gate using NOR gate. Okay, so first of all, let us see how the NOT gate will be. Again and again I'm drawing the same thing because you will be able to remember. Okay, so Y, A is A NOT gate, I'll get A complement. Okay, so implementation in the sense I need to take the output equation. So output equation is nothing but Y is equal to A bar. Okay, and if you observe, the minimum number of gates required for the NOR gate is 2. But here if you observe, I have only 1. So what I'll do, can I write can I write A as A plus A whole bar? In place of A, I have replaced with A plus A. Is it fine? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now check the equation here. It is in the form of like I have only the plus and whole bar is also there, right? So I'll be able to implement using NOR gate. Okay, so how will I implement? Yeah, 2 inputs to NOR gate. Okay, 2 inputs to NOR gate, both are of same. Okay, so I'll have as since I'm using OR plus NOT, OR in the sense A plus A, NOT in the sense whole bar. Okay, A plus A whole bar. Okay, which is also equal to A bar. Okay, which is nothing but here Y. Okay, so this is nothing but the implementation of NOT gate using NOR. Okay, but if you observe, this is also A only and this is also A only. So instead of connecting it twice, what I can do, I can take the second input and connect it here. From here only I can take it. Any doubts here? Any doubts you have here?
No, ma'am.
Anybody have any doubts here? You can ask me. Okay, instead of taking A twice like this, the two inputs of NOT gate is given to A only. Okay, so what I'll do, if I want, sometimes if I want A bar, what I'll do, if this is my A line, what I'll do, I'll just connect it in this way so that I'll get A bar. Or instead of connecting it in this way, what I'll do, I'll just tilt it like this. Okay, why I'm showing you specifically this one is people will get confused. And one more mistake what they'll do is, even when they give that implement the following using NOR gate, to get A bar, what they'll do is they'll just connect NOT. Okay, which is wrong. When they say that you have to use NOR, you have to use only NOR. No other gates are allowed in that circuit. Okay, is it clear? Is this clear, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you now try for this one? AND gate And try, you people try. I will show you, don't worry. But NAND gate using NOR. AND gate using NOR. Can you people try? Nothing but A bar dot A bar plus B bar. I have A, so A bar. I have B, so B bar. I have dot in between, so plus. Okay, so using one complement, I'll just expand. So I'll get as A dot B whole bar is nothing but A I have, so A bar. Dot I have, so plus. B I have, so B bar. Okay, so now just check whether it is in the required form or not. You know how to get A bar. Okay, so here only I've shown you how to get A bar. Okay, here I've shown you how to get A bar. Okay, and in the same way you can get B bar also. Okay, so A bar I can get, B bar I can get. Now this term plus this term whole bar form. Okay, so this term plus this bar term whole bar. So I will be able to implement using NOR gate. Okay, so A bar in the sense I have A, so give both the inputs of NOT gate as A only, so that I'll get A bar. Next B bar, so this is my B, so what I'll do, I'll give both the inputs of OR gate as same B, so I'll get B bar. Now I want this plus this whole bar, so again I'll give it to one more NOR gate, so that my output here will be this input plus this input. Since I have a bubble, 4 bar. Okay, hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, OR gate using NOR. Okay, so OR gate. So I will be your OR gate. We will have two inputs. Sorry, two inputs A, B, and Y. Y is equal to A plus B. Okay, so again I need to implement this using NOR. So Y is equal to A plus B. I'll take the output equation. If you observe, I have plus in between the terms, but I don't have bar, so I cannot just take one bar. So what I'll do, I'll take double bar. Okay, now I can implement A plus B whole bar. Okay, A plus B whole bar can be implemented just by using one NOT gate. One NOR gate. Again I have whole bar of this whole bar. Okay, how to get that whole bar? One more bar I need to get. So in order to get this bar, what I can do, it is nothing but I can just use a NOT gate, but I cannot use NOT gate. So what I'll do, I'll use NOR only, but both the inputs of NOR will be given to the same one. Okay, so let me implement this. So A plus B bar, this is my A, this is my B, give it to the NOR gate so that I'll get A plus B whole bar. I need to have complement of this again. Okay, so in order to have the complement, I can just use the NOT gate, but I cannot use NOT gate. So what I'll do, I'll use the NOR gate only. But I don't have a NOR gate with single input. So what I'll do, the same thing I'll give here also. So it will become A plus B bar plus A plus B bar whole bar, which is nothing but A plus B bar. This is repeated twice, so I can take it once only. A bar plus B, A plus B bar whole bar. Okay, hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, try this XOR gate using NOR gates. Okay, so XOR gate. All of you see to this. XOR gate. So A, B, Y is equal to A XOR B, which is nothing but A bar B plus A B bar. So again I need to implement this. So I will take output equation A bar B plus A B bar. Okay, so I cannot have any dot. See, if you observe, since I am implementing using NOR, I should not have any AND operator. I should only have OR operator. Okay, so but here if you observe, I have AND operator here also. So what I'll do, I'll take double complement. Use one complement and expand it. So it will become as A bar, second complement. This second complement I'm using and I'm expanding. So the first complement I'm keeping as it is, and second complement it is in the form of x plus y bar. Okay, x plus y bar can be represented as x plus y bar can be represented as x bar dot y bar. Okay, in place of x you have a bar b, in place of y you have a b bar. Okay, what I'll do, I'll write x bar. X bar is nothing but a bar b whole bar, and plus is there, so it will turn to dot. And here if you observe, I have a dot b bar whole bar. Okay, but still it is not in the I don't have place in between. See, here also have dot, here also have dot, and here also have dot. So what I can do, see this I can expand a bar into b whole bar, I can expand. In the same way, a dot b bar whole bar I can expand. So the upper this I'm keeping as it is, and here a bar b whole bar I have, so that can be represented as a bar. De Morgan's law, a bar I have, so a. I have dot, so it will be plus. I have b, so b bar. Okay, so that is how I can apply the De Morgan's law. Okay, so this entire thing, a bar into b whole bar can be represented as a plus b bar into, here also I have a b bar whole bar. So this can be represented as, again I'll use De Morgan's law, I'll expand it. So a bar, I have dot, so plus b bar I have, so b. Okay, so it will be a bar plus b. Okay, but still if you observe, is it fine? Do you have the equation in the required form? Do you have the, no, still I have dot operator, dot in the sense and operator. So and operator should not be there. So what I'll do, I'll make use of this complement as well. Okay, so it will become as a plus b bar, this whole bar. It is in the form of x dot y whole bar. X dot y whole bar can be represented as x bar plus y bar. Okay, so x, this is nothing but I'm considering this as x and this as y. Okay, so it is nothing but x bar. Okay, x bar in the sense a plus b bar whole bar. I have dot, so it will become plus. It will become plus, and here y bar. Y bar is in the sense y is nothing but a bar plus b whole bar form. Okay, now is it in the required form?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it in the required
Yes,
form?
ma'am.
Just check this, check term by term. This term, okay, fine. See, I have b bar, I can get b bar, a plus b bar whole bar. Okay, so this entire thing can be implemented. In the same way, this also you see, a bar I can get, a bar plus b whole bar also I can get. Okay, but next I need to get this complete thing, right? Complete thing in the sense a plus b bar whole bar plus a bar plus b whole bar. Is it in the required form? I have plus in between, but do I have bar there? See, this if you take, it is in the form of x bar plus y bar form, right? Yes or no, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
But what I want whole bar also, right? Whole bar also, because the NOR gate, what it will do, x, y. So what it will do, it will be x plus y whole bar it will give, right? But here if you observe, I don't have that whole bar, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I need to do? What I need to do here?
Whole bar.
Double bar I should take. I should not take single bar. Again observe, a plus b bar whole bar can be implemented, a bar plus b whole bar can be implemented, then this term plus this term whole bar can be implemented. Again I need one more bar so that I can use one NOT gate. Instead of NOT gate, both the inputs of the NOR gate should be given to the same input. Okay, so let me, you people try to draw on your own. I will show you. This is my A. I need a bar also, so what I'll do, I will just tilt it. I'll connect both the inputs of NOR gate to A only, so that I'll get a bar. Then B bar is also required, so this is B bar. So both the inputs of NOR gate, I'll give it to the NOR gate, so that I'll get B bar. Okay, now I need to get A plus B bar. This is my A plus B bar whole bar. This is whole bar. Okay, next. This one I've got. This one I'll show it in the red color one. This one I've got. Now I have to get this one. This one I need to get. Okay, so it is nothing but a bar plus b, a bar, this is my a bar, plus b, this is my b, this is my a bar and this is my b. Give it to the NOR gate so that I'll get a bar plus b whole bar. Okay, now I've got this one, I've got this one. Now I need to get this plus this whole bar. So I'll use one more NOR gate so that I'll get this term a plus b bar whole bar plus a bar plus b whole bar. Again I have one more bar also. So to get one more bar, what I'll do, I'll give both the inputs of the of NOR gate. I'll give it to the same one so that my output here will be equal to a plus b bar plus a bar plus b whole bar plus a plus b bar whole bar plus a bar plus b whole bar. Okay, but this term is repeated twice. Okay, so I can just write once a plus b bar whole bar plus a bar plus b whole bar double bar. Okay, so in the exam you need not write this output equations. Okay, this is only for your understanding. I'm just showing it. Okay, hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you try to implement X NOR gate using NOR. Look the screen. So a bar b bar plus ab. So I'll take double complement because I should have only plus and whole bar. Okay, but if you observe I have dot. So what we'll do, I'll take as first complement I'll keep as it is and second complement I'll expand. So it is complete this one plus this one whole bar form. So it will be a bar into b bar whole bar plus I have so dot, so a b whole bar, this complete term whole bar. Okay, so this is equal to, now again it is not in the required form, so what I'll do, this complement I'll expand. So I have a bar, I have as a bar b bar whole bar, which can be represented as a bar can be represented as a dot I have, so I can represent it as plus b bar I have, so I can represent it as b. So this will turn to a plus b. Okay, in the same way I have to expand this one also. So ab whole bar, ab bar can be represented as a bar dot b bar, a bar plus b bar. So a bar plus b bar. Still you observe I have dot in between and whole bar is there. Okay, if I have plus here I can directly implement, but I have dot. I should not have any dot in the sense and. I should not have any and. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to further expand it. So it is in the form of this complete thing I will name as x, this complete thing I will name as y. So it is in the form of x dot y whole bar. So x dot y whole bar is nothing but x bar plus y bar. So this is nothing but x bar. X bar is nothing but a plus b whole bar. Dot I have, so plus y bar. So a bar plus b bar whole bar. Still it is not in that way because this I can implement using NOR. Okay, in the same way this also I can implement using NOR, but this plus this whole bar should be there, but I don't have whole bar. So what I'll do here, I'll take double complement again. Okay, so when I take single complement, this can be implemented. So one more complement, it is nothing but the NOT. Okay, so I can implement now. So I need a bar. So I'll just connect it to NOR gate so that I'll get a bar, b B bar, B bar. So now it is A plus B whole bar. A plus B, this is A. Okay, I'll draw the lines little smaller so that I could write everything properly. So A, this is my A and this is my B. Okay, so AB whole bar, A plus B whole bar. This one is implemented now. Now I have to get A bar plus B bar whole bar. I have A bar, I have B bar, whole bar I need to get. This is my A bar, this is my B bar, B bar. I have to give it to NOR gate so that A bar plus B bar whole bar I'll get. So this I have implemented. This I have implemented. And this also I have implemented. Now I need to get this plus this whole bar. So what will do? I'll give this to NOR gate so that my output here will be equal to A plus B bar plus A bar plus B bar into this input plus this input whole bar. Okay, now I need to get one more bar. So I have to just give it to the NOT gate. So instead of NOT gate, I can just give it to the NOR gate with both the inputs. Both the inputs of NOT gate should be connected to same. So that my output here will be equal to, I'll write this down. So y will be equal to A plus B bar plus A bar plus B bar whole bar, again whole bar because of this NOT gate. Okay. Hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you took so much of time, ma? Any reason behind that? You people took so much of time. So any reason behind that? Okay, fine. Now you take the question, simplify and implement using NOR gate. So y is equal to A plus B bar into A bar plus C bar into B bar plus C. You have to simplify also and you need to implement also. So can you people simplify this expression quickly? Simplify this expression quickly. Okay, so fine, I'll only do it to you. You people try on your own. I think I have done this, right? Simplification of this is done already. Hope so.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yeah, you'll directly implement. So A bar, B bar. So I need to have plus in between. I don't have plus. So what I'll do, I'll take double complement. So y is equal to double complement. So I'll just expand using the second complement. So whole bar will be as it is. And here A bar, it is in the form of A bar dot B bar whole bar. De Morgan's law, A bar I have, so A dot I have, so plus B bar I have, so B. Okay, so this entire thing will reduce to A plus B. Okay, so A plus B whole bar, you have plus in between and also complement is also there. So I'll be able to implement this using NOR gate. Okay, so here AB, give it to one NOR gate so that you will have y is equal to A plus B whole bar, which is nothing but A plus B whole bar into A bar plus C bar into B bar plus C. Hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope this is clear to all of you. Okay, now note the next problem. Implement using NOR gates. Here I'll give you in different way. Y is equal to A B bar C whole bar D whole bar. Implement this function using the first one NAND gates, second one NOR gates. Okay, so both will do together now. So first one, NAND gates. Okay, NAND gates. So what is the expression you have? Y is equal to AB complement C complement D complement. Okay, so check whether it is in the required form. A dot B complement. This can be, I'll take other pen. Just check whether it is in the required form, or do I need to expand somewhere or do something? AB whole complement. This can be implemented.
Yes, ma'am.
This into C whole complement. This can be implemented.
Yes, ma'am.
See, next this into this term whole complement. So I'll be able to implement everything, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Do I
ma'am.
need to introduce any complement, something like that? Nothing, right? So I can directly implement. So A, B. I will just take other pen. A, B. Give it to the NAND gate so that I'll get AB bar. So this is implemented now. This is implemented. Now I need this into this whole bar. This into this whole bar here. Okay. So this into C. This is my C. Give it to the NAND gate so that I'll get as AB bar into C whole bar. Now I need to get this entire thing I've got into D whole bar. Into D, this is my T. So A, B bar, C whole bar, this term into B whole bar. Is it clear? This is what my Y.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope you people are also doing along with me. Okay, so now the second one using NOR gates. The question is AB bar into C R D bar. Okay, so let me write it again. Y is equal to AB bar C bar D bar. Okay, so what is the condition with the NOR gates? How the equation should be? How the
Plus.
equation plus and whole bar form. Okay, so if you observe here, I have everywhere I have dot. So what I'll do, I'll just try to expand this. Okay, so A B bar can be represented as A bar plus B bar. Okay, this one I have expanded. Right. Now again, this is in the A bar plus B bar I can implement, but A bar plus B bar whole bar is not there. Okay, so again here also I have dot dot. So what I'll do, I'll try again, I'll expand this portion. So it will be A bar plus B bar whole bar. I have dot, so it will become plus C bar. Okay, still I have this entire thing dot D, right? So again here also again I have dot. So what I'll do, I'll expand it. So this entire thing I'll take as one term, and this one I'll take as other term. So it is A bar plus B bar whole bar plus C bar. So this entire thing whole bar should be there plus D bar. Okay. Hope this equation is clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody have
Yes,
doubt, please let me know. Okay, so now you see, I will be able to implement this one. I'll be able, see this one. Let me write it. Right. Get A bar. I know how to get B bar using I can get. So this entire thing I can get. So this entire thing plus this one whole bar I can get. Next, this entire thing plus this entire thing. Do I have whole bar?
No, ma'am.
No. So what I need to do?
Double complement.
Use double complement. Okay, so take double complement to this entire thing. This is your y. Okay, so now let us see here. I need to get a bar first. So a, this is my a bar using NOR. This is my a bar. Next, this is my b. I need to get b bar. So this is my b bar. Okay, so first I have to get this one, a bar plus b bar whole bar. Okay, so that can be obtained as a bar b bar. So give it to the NOR gate so that we'll get here as this is my b bar. A bar plus b bar whole bar I've got. Next, again I need to get plus c bar whole bar. So c bar, oh, 1 second, let me take c bar, d bar also and then do this. Anyway, I need only c bar, so I will take c is here. Okay. C bar, d, okay, and this is everything because I need everywhere I need a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar only. So I'll just take only 4 lines where I'll get a bar. So both the inputs of X NOR gate should be given to the same A. So I'll get a bar. Next b bar. So both the inputs I should give to same. So b bar, I'll get b bar, c bar. So both the inputs of NOR gate should be given to same. So I'll get c bar. Next d bar. This is my d. So give it to. I don't need a, b, c, d, no. So that's why directly I'm taking a bar, b bar, c bar, d bar only. Okay, that's what I did here. Okay, so now I want the first one, a bar plus b bar whole bar. So this is a bar. This is my b bar. Give it to the NOR gate so that I'll get as a bar plus b bar whole bar. Now I've got this term. Now I need to get this term plus this c bar whole bar. So c bar, this term plus c bar whole bar. So give it to NAND gate. So I've got this much now. So this plus this whole bar. So d bar. So I'll get this much. I'll get this much. I need to get one more complement now. So one more complement, I have to give it to the NOT gate. So NOT gate is nothing but give both the inputs of NOR gate with the same. So that my output will be equal to y. Hope this diagram is clear to all of you. Hope this is clear to all of you. Anybody have done this one?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Here the logic is you need to have plus and complement. So I don't have plus double complement. So it will be one complement I'll keep as it is, and the second one I'll just try to expand. So it will be a bar plus b bar plus c bar plus d bar. So I'm able to implement it because I have plus in between. I know how to get a bar, I know how to get b bar, I know how to get c bar, and I also know how to get d bar, and this plus this whole bar. So I can just easily get, so a bar, b B bar. See, here I am just using A, B, C once only, so I am directly taking it in this way instead of taking vertically. Okay. D. So it will be C. Here it will be C bar. Here it is D bar. Now I need to get A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar whole bar. So give it to NOR gate. My output here will be equal to Y, which is equal to A bar plus B bar plus C bar plus D bar whole bar. How many of you have drawn on your own? Please respond. How many of you could draw on your own? Amrita?
I could do it, ma'am.
Yes, then anyone else who has done on their own? I'm not giving you enough time to do now. Yes? Okay, fine. One more problem will do. Y is equal to AB into C plus D whole bar using first one NAND, second one NOR. As it is given, I have one bar, so using that I'll expand it. So I can write this as AB bar dot dot, so I'll keep that dot as it is, C plus D bar. Any doubts in this step?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just keep AB bar as it is, and here I have C plus D whole bar I have. So what I'll do, I'll just expand it. C plus D whole bar can be represented as C bar dot D bar. Okay, so it will become C bar dot D bar. Okay, I see in between that I have, so here I'll have plus. I have written it wrongly, ma. See, AB dot C plus D whole bar. Okay, so AB bar, okay, dot I have, so it is plus. So this is plus. Okay, so now again it is not in the required form because again you have plus. So what you can do, you can take double complement. So Y is equal to double complement. So again I'll expand this plus. So it will be AB bar whole bar, because this term whole bar plus dot this term whole bar, C bar D bar whole bar, and the second bar will be as it is. So now is it in the required form? AB bar can be implemented. Again you have one more bar, so one more bar in the sense NOT gate. So NOT gate in the sense both the inputs you have to give to the same. Okay, then here you know how to get C bar, you know how to get D bar, C bar into D bar whole bar. Okay, this is also known. So this one I could implement and this one I could implement. So this into this whole bar. So I will be able to implement everything. Let me draw the, any doubts here? Any doubts here, ma?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
so
ma'am.
I'll just take A, B. Only two people are active. Rest all what you're doing, I don't know. A, B. So give it to the NAND gate so that I'll get AB bar. But I want one more bar also. AB bar whole bar is also there. So what I'll do, I'll just give it to NAND gate. So I'll get as AB bar whole bar. Okay, then this is implemented now. Now I need to get C bar, T bar, whole bar. So C bar in the sense, I'll take this as C, so I'll get C bar. I'll take this as D, so I'll get D bar. So C bar into D bar whole bar. So I'll give it to NAND gate so that I'll get C bar dot D bar whole bar. I've got this term also. Now I need this into this whole bar. So give it to one NAND gate. So I'll get Y is equal to AB bar whole bar into C bar into D bar whole bar. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When I do, it will be clear for you. When you are trying, you'll stuck somewhere. So where exactly you're going wrong, please make sure that you do it rightly. Okay, so now the second one using NOR gates. Okay, so again I've taken this expression. So NOR gate, the logic is you need to have plus and whole bar should be there. Okay, so but if you observe here I have dot, here also I have dot, and whole bar is there. Okay, but here and here I have dot. So what I need to do, I can just expand. So AB, I'll take as one term dot into C plus D. Okay, so AB bar dot is there, so it will turn to plus C plus D whole bar. Okay, so if you observe C plus D whole bar I can implement, but what about AB bar? I will not be able to. So what I'll do, I'll just expand it. So it will turn to A bar plus B bar, okay, plus C plus D whole bar. Okay, but now are you able to implement? Will you be able to get this? I will be able to get A bar. I'll be able to get B bar. Will I be able to get this?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
sir. How will you get A bar plus B bar? Whole bar should be there. No, whole bar is not there. So what you'll do?
Double complement.
Or double complement. Okay. So this will turn to y is equal to A bar plus. Otherwise, what I'll do, I'll not take for the entire thing. I'll just take only for this term. I can take in that way also. No, is it changing the meaning? Is it changing the meaning? No, right? So I can just take only for this because this is in the required form. Okay, right? C plus D whole bar can be implemented. But since I cannot implement A bar I have plus B bar I have plus, but whole complement I don't have. So that is the reason I've just just added double complement here only. Okay, I can do it in that way. So now I'll be able to get A bar. I'll be able to get B bar. I'll be able to get A bar plus B bar whole bar. And one more bar also I'll be able to get. And this one also I'm able to get, but am I able to get this plus this whole bar should be there, right? But it is missing, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what I will do now, I'll take double complement like this. Okay, so directly I can implement this function. Sorry, not gate, NOR gate, no. So if you observe, I just have plus and whole complements only. Okay, so I'll give it to the NOR gate. A, I'll get A bar, next in the same way. B, I'll give it to the NOR gate so that I'll get B bar. Okay, now I need A bar plus B bar whole bar. So A bar plus B bar whole bar. A bar plus B bar whole bar. Okay, so this is done. Now I need to get one more bar. So what I'll do, I'll give it to NOR gate. So I'll get as A bar plus B bar whole bar whole bar. Okay, now in the same way I need to get C plus D whole bar. This much is implemented now. This much is implemented. Now I need to get C plus D whole bar. So C, D, C, D, C plus D, C plus D whole bar. Okay. Now I've got this one, I've got this one also. Now I need to get this complement. So give it to NOR gate. So that I'll get this term, which is nothing but A bar plus B bar double bar plus C plus D whole bar I'll get, but one more bar is also there, so give it to one more NOR gate so that my output here will be y.